Now we will create our contact us page. Okay, in every website the contact page is very important. Why? If someone is visiting your website, and after that if he or she want to contact you, so how he will be contact you? So we will create this page. Okay, let me change the width, 100% full width. Again update it. Yeah, refresh it. So now at this time, for creating this page, what I will do, I will not going to use all the things like creating the all the elements. What I will do, I will just go to ekit and I will choose any of them. I will choose, I'm creating contact, so let me search for any contact page is available. Oh, no contact. Okay, I will have to choose from here like call to action. No, 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 no. Okay, any section, or maybe I have to create. Let's, if I found anything, so I will not going to create this. I will just import that contact form. Many of the available, but none of have any contact form. So let's go and start for the contact form. Basically, what is the contact form? Let me show you first of all. I drag or any of website, whatever website you do like. So if I go to, not from here, if I scroll to the bottom, yeah, here is the button, let's be in touch. If I click on this, so what it will do, it will be redirect me to the contact page. Now here I can give my name, email, number, subject, and if I click on send button, so it will thus send my all details to the owner of this website, same as or I want to this website. So what I will do, let's create a contact page. So for that, yeah, I want to use a template, but not a big deal. We will create contacts. So for that, I want this task for you. I mean, not a problem. You will create perfectly. Just telling you a working section, okay? Not a complete thing. It will be your task to complete that. Okay, just close this. So let me add a section. I will try to two sections, something like this. Okay, I like this section. One is address and then a map. I'm not going to do all the things. I'll just search for here contact form 7. Okay, we have also installed a plugin called contact form 7. He's saying that there is no contact form. So for that, what I will do, I will go to this. After that, I will click on contact. Here you can see that a free form is made for you. I will just click on edit. Yeah, if I update and just save, yeah, I'm just saving this and I'm copying this link. Okay, Control A, Control C, and Control A. Sorry, not for this. Here, click on edit button. Contact form 7, style not choosing. Here is now the form is listed here. Okay, yeah, you can see that this is our form we were trying to create here. Your name, your email, and after that, where we want to send these details, we will send this detail to the site admin email. But if you don't want there, Suppose if you want to this mail to your personal email, just need shivai @gmail.com. So what will be now, if anyone is sending the mail, sending their details, so it will be sent to your personal email. Okay. One configuration is gmail.com. Okay, let me save. Yeah, now fine. Okay, update it. You can change the style from here. Typography, I don't want default, I want ins. Okay, size a little bit better. Update. So all the style things are same as previous. Okay, you can do many of the things changes as your own. Here you can also add some map, or like Google Maps. If I drag it here, just put your address here. Suppose that I'm putting drag. Yeah, it will reflect my address here. Okay, if you're living anywhere else, here you can just put your address here and update it. And if I go to my page, let me check my page, how it's look now. So it is our contact page. I'm not designing it completely, I'm just putting an demo here. Okay, so it is contact page. You can just that how to remove these things, title and how to change customization, so you can do that.